Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to export G-code from Creality Print. So what we are going to do is basically first thing you will import your 3D design and adjust your print settings. So click the large slice button in the bottom right corner of the screen. So slice plate. This will immediately uh, switch to preview mode right here, just like that. Once slicing is finished, look at the bottom right corner where the slice button used to be and click the export local or export to local disk button. So you need to find this button right now. So let me close this. All right. Now, if you don't find this button right here, don't worry, we can still have here the solution. So you can see here G-code preview. So this is this one right now, uh, like so. If you don't see the export button, don't worry, we can go still here to the file at the top left corner. Then we have here option export and then export G-code. So you can click on that and save it wherever you want on your computer, and that's basically it. You successfully exported G-code. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next